Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add calendar list widget on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on the screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to see widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by scrolling to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, you'll have to do is click the widget. And okay guys, here in calendar widget, okay, you can see the countdown widget, the list widget, and the month widget. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the list widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold the widget to add to your home screen. And okay guys, automatically show the widget settings. And okay guys, here you can change the background color by selecting the black or white color of the widget. And also you can change the background transparency by scrolling to the right to adjust the percent of the transparency. And okay guys, also you can enable or disable the match with dark mode by switch off or switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it for the calendar list widget. And okay guys, to add the list of your calendar, okay, you'll have to do is click the plus sign of the upper right side of the widget to add the list of your event. And okay guys, now you can set the event. So for my example, I create the title. And okay guys, after you create the title, okay, you can set the start date and time of the event. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the time or the day of the event. And you can adjust this by clicking the time or the date. And okay guys, okay, after you set the time and date of the event, okay, you'll have to do is click the save button below. And okay guys, the event is add to your calendar list widget. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.